Stay in your lane. You might need to even close your lane down a bit. Think about it. You guys ever watch those shows where the restaurant professional chef Robert Irvine or whoever, he goes in and they try to help her turn a restaurant around? What's the first thing they do? They take the menu and then they shrink it, right? Or they at least keep it in one theme. Be a specialist in your field. You know who makes more money? A used car salesman who sells everything, or the Maserati dealer, right? The Maserati dealer sells 1/3 of the amount of cars as a used car salesman does. And he makes 3-4 times the money because he's a specialist.